Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be going over my 26mm Rolex DateJust. I'm going to be telling you guys like the buying process, what I love about it. So I think that you will be interested. Make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So if you watched my luxury wish list, you will know that this was on the top of my wish list. Like, oh my gosh, I was like, hopefully I'll be unboxing this in a next couple of months or like my next video, and here it is. I finally made the purchase. I'm super excited. I was like searching for this watch for over 6 months, like probably like maybe even almost a year, like actually actively searching, looking at different jewelers, like searching on the website almost every single day. Like, oh my gosh, my brain was just like all I could think about. And honestly, when I purchased it, I just felt so relieved because I'm like, oh, finally, like I'm so tired of searching for a watch. And like I said, I did buy this certified pre-owned from Rolex, and I purchased it from the 1916 company. That was a jeweler that I use, and yeah, I love it so much, like I said. And I'm just gonna show you guys watch close up. This is a 26mm, and I got the Jubilee band with the champagne gold dial with diamonds on it, and I love it so much. As you can see, this watch really doesn't have any stretch. It has a little bit of scratches, but honestly I did that. When I first got it, it didn't have any scratches or anything. I made these scratches, but honestly, like, this is my watch, so I don't mind it. Like, I don't baby my stuff. You purchase certified pre-owned, it comes in this like yellow, light gold yellow box, and it just says Rolex certified pre-owned. And then it has this like traveling case, and unfortunately it does not come with the box. I wish that it did, but yeah, I think it should start coming with boxes. I feel like that, you know, that'll be like super nice. And then these are my extra links, and then yeah, this is how, just a cute little traveling case. And then it did come with this like tag. It just says Rolex, and then Rolex certified pre-owned. And then this is like the booklet, the warranty, the authenticity card. This is the booklet, and then the warranty manual. And then this is where I keep my card, and just says authenticity guaranteed, and then it just has like date of purchase, the model number, and then the serial. So like I said, I purchased from the 1916 company, and I'll just kind of go in depth on the process. So I was looking at this watch online, and I saw it, and they have like inquire more, and you just put in your contact information, your email, your phone number. And then I got an email, and then I also got a call. I think I did the inquiry like on a Saturday, and then that Monday or Tuesday I got a call. And yeah, I spoke with the sales advisor, and you know, I just kind of told her exactly what I was looking for, and just kind of like when I was looking to purchase. Initially I told her like, oh, maybe like in the next couple of weeks, but then like towards the end of our call she talked about pricing, and then she told me that you know, she is able to negotiate. So, and I want to talk about pricing because when you're looking at certified pre-owned, if you're like looking at reviews online, most people say that it just has an insane price markup. I feel like they have really competitive pricing, and maybe it just differs on what model. The 26mm, I feel like it compares to other jewelers that, you know, that have the box and, you know, the papers. Obviously, if you buy a watch that does not have any papers, the price is going to be a lot cheaper. Like, you know, you can get this same watch without papers for like $3,000, and then, you know, with the papers and everything, you can go all the way up to like $6,000 or more, of course, depending on the quality. So yeah, like, but I think when you do have your documentation and everything like that, you know, I feel like that price is competitive to certified pre-owned. And then of course, like if you're buying a BMW certified pre-owned or a Mercedes certified pre-owned, like you know that that certified pre-owned is backed by the manufacturer, that company, so you know that it's going to be in pristine condition, it's going to be, you know, authentic, of course. Like, you know, you just kind of have that peace of mind. Just like, I am not a watch guru, so I didn't really know that much. Obviously I did my research. I was always on, you know, Rolex Reddit, and just like I did my own research, of course, but like I just, you know, compared to someone that is a watch collector, I'm definitely like just do not have that type of knowledge. So I definitely felt like, you know what, I think it's better for me to just buy certified pre-owned, because I know that it's going to be in good quality, it's going to be in good condition. It most likely just got serviced, so it's going to be, you know, and like I said, in good condition, and I don't have to worry about like taking it to get serviced or anything like that. And if I do take it to get serviced, I have my 2-year warranty from Rolex, so I can get it service exactly from Rolex for free for the first 2 years. So I think that that's great. And like I said, I feel like the prices are very competitive. Literally like 2 days before this, I was about to buy a watch from Bob's Watches, and it was about $5,955. And they do not negotiate on Bob's Watches, so keep that in mind. And it was like the same date. That one was like a 2000, this is a 2000 watch. So like about the same age. And then this one was 6,400 or 340, something like that, or like I think it was like 6,450 on the website. But like I said, she was able to, they do negotiate, so she actually brought it down to, I want to say like 6,045 or 6,100. I can't remember. I'll like, when I look at my invoice, I'll like write it on the screen so you guys can know like the pricing that I paid, because I don't mind talking about pricing. I know some people don't. Like I said, I feel like it was pretty comparable. Like I said, and the watch I was looking at on Bob's Watches, it was like 5,900, and it didn't even have diamonds on it. It was just a plain gold dial. So this has diamonds on it, and it was like not even $200-$300 more. So I would say definitely check them out if you're looking at them, because like I said, I feel like they have very, very competitive pricing. The condition is immaculate. It had no scratches, no stretching. It looked like the same watch that I was looking at brand new from Rolex when I was trying on, you know, looking at their watches and stuff. Like it was like I feel like I had just bought a brand new watch, and you know, like I love that. I was so happy. Like I said, it didn't have any stretching. Like it was just in like immaculate condition. I even took it to Rolex because in Atlanta, like a couple days after I bought it, because I could not figure out how to set this watch. I was like looking at it online, and I still just could not get it. I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't know, is it because I have nails and stuff like that? So I actually went inside the store, and they set it for me, and like he was like showing me what to do, like telling me how to wind it and things like that. So yeah, like he was like, wow, this watch is in really, really good condition. And he, you know, he even said that he works there. So yeah, very, very happy, and I'm glad that I went and got it from them. So yeah, I definitely recommend them. They were so sweet, so nice. And yeah, the process was super, super easy. I'm so happy that I finally got my dream watch. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat.